In the previous video about GRIP6 Highline Coyote wool boot socks, I did an evaluation on a production pair that I purchased after I had done some initial testing on a pre-production pair that were provided to me to test. Now the big difference between these two are that this was one size too small, but I still tried it out, and the results really weren't too good. I thought the size really had something to do with it, but with the production pair, I ended up with the same issue. So at that point, you might think that I wouldn't recommend this product, or that the testing and evaluation is all done, but it really isn't. You see, GRIP6 offers a lifetime warranty on their products. So what I decided to do was contact them and see if they would honor the warranty on these socks. I didn't say, hey, I'm that guy that toured your factory 2 months ago, or any of that stuff. I just went in as a regular old customer, and I am a regular old customer. Anyhow, what I did was I went on their website and I looked up their warranty policy, and I'll include a copy of that policy in the description section of this video. Within the first 60 days, it's good for a full refund. Well, I didn't want a refund. I want another pair of socks. I'm not done with these. I want to figure out why I'm wearing these things out so fast. So I sent an email, and they promptly sent one back. Now, we're in different time zones, so I didn't do it too early in the morning, but it was still before noon. We emailed back and forth a few times. All they wanted were a picture of the damage to the socks. At that point, they said they'd be sending me out a new pair of socks and a return label. That email exchange was all on the same day. That was December 9th. On December 13th, I got a bubble pack in the mail from GRIP6. So, let me go ahead and open this up, and let's see what all they sent. Trying not to damage the contents. Also doesn't help that I really need to sharpen this knife. No matter how many times I say it, I still haven't sharpened it. There we go. Okay. I hate to cut a hole in the socks trying to get them out of the package. So, we've got another pair of GRIP6 wool boot socks in Coyote Brown in extra large. A lot of fuzzies on this. And there is a return label here. This is a USPS first class. It's addressed back to them in Utah. So what I will do is I'll get these socks in a similar kind of envelope, ship them out, and they'll get them back. But as far as the warranty socks go, what I need to do is go ahead and try these out. I'm going to continue to wear these at work, and if I get any other chances to go deer hunting before the year's up, I'm going to wear these socks, and I'm going to try to wear them out again. I mean, I'm not trying to destroy these per se, but that seems to be what's happening. So I want to try to figure out what's going on. I've also got another pair of GRIP6 socks that I'm trying to evaluate, and there'll be other videos about that. But in the meantime, I just wanted to show you what would happen if you had an issue with your socks within the first 60 days. And really, the differences in the time periods really just have to do, I believe, with just paying shipping charges. That's really about it. But you can read all that in the description section, and hopefully in the next video I've got something to report back to you. Thanks for watching.